by Paul Trupia. Revolver is a social commentary that explores the real-life issues of the Second Amendment as they now exist in the 21st century. With tagline, "Our Second Amendment in Action," Revolver explores 5 examples of real-life situations that occur when guns are nearby, including accidents, arguments, and the fallacy of protection. The cast breakdown. Amy and Jeff, I don't know, there's Amy and Jeff, okay, are relatively young, happily married couple, typical in every way. Jeff has recently obtained a gun for protection. Other woman is a nervous older woman living alone who gets scared and fumbling when confronted. The burglars, a criminal thief male, 20 to 30, who takes advantage of the situation. It says plural here, Larry, so I guess you are more than
Only
one
one.
burglar, yeah. And then there are 2 youths, approximately 18, 25 years of age, who are products of the inner city streets they live on, possibly gang members. Then there's Judy and Peter, a married couple in their 50s, that have an emotional confrontation over infidelity. And a young girl, an innocent, curious young girl, 14 to 16, exploring her mother's clothes. And then he explains that for ease in casting, Jeff and one of the youth boys, the burglar and the other youth boy, Judy and the older woman, can be double cast, reducing the cast to 6. And Joanne did it right. All right, the opening. The stage is dark except for a revolver in the middle of the stage with a light shining directly on it. The stage goes dark once again. Jeff, a young man in his late 20s, enters in the darkness and stands by the table where the gun is placed. The lights are up fully to expose a living room with some furniture in the background and the gun, which is now in Jeff's hands. Jeff is looking at the gun and admiring it. After a moment, Jeff's wife speaks from off stage.
Jeff, have you seen my pocketbook? You know, the black one with the long strap?
What pocketbook? How am I supposed to know where you put these? No, I haven't seen it.
I know I left it in here.
She notices Jeff trying to hide the gun.
What do you have there?
Nothing.
Don't tell me nothing. I saw you.
I don't have anything.
Baloney. What's this?
Waving the revolver.
I was just looking at it.
I told you I don't like that thing lying around the house. I thought you were going to get rid of it.
I will. I just haven't gotten around to it just yet. You can just put it in the trash can.
You haven't, because you just like to play with it like a cowboy. I'm going to get you a cowboy hat and a stick horse, and you can ride around like Roy Rogers.
Very funny. And I don't play with it. I just think it's a good idea to have it around for safety.
Safety my ass. Tell me, how many times have you read that someone actually stopped someone with a gun?
It happens.
It may happen, but not a lot.
It's our Second Amendment right.
Amy continues to look at the gun.
The Second Amendment was written 200 years ago. Times have changed. This is not the frontier society of Daniel Boone. We don't have to hunt for food. We have police and laws.
And they are working very well, you think?
Can you imagine if everyone in Manhattan carried a gun? There would be people dead on every corner as they argue about parking, or because the subway was too crowded.
Don't be ridiculous.
takes the gun away from her and puts it on the table.
I just feel safer with one around.
I don't.
She picks up the gun again and looks at it.
It's heavy.
Will you put it down?
Admit it, you like playing with it. It must be a man thing.
Kiddingly, she starts to play with it, pointing it at Jeff, trying to act out a character from the movies.
You talking to me? There's no one else here. You're talking to me. Ask yourself, do I feel lucky?
Don't be funny.
He attempts to grab the gun. She pulls away a bit.
Say hello to my little friend.
Will you cut it out? I don't want you to fool around with it.
No, I like it. It's a rush. I can see how you guys like these things. What's little gadget here?
It's the safety.
So all I have to do is move this little switch and then I'm protected?
You should learn how to use it.
I know how to use it. It's not rocket science.
Put it away.
All you do is pull the switch down, point, and pull this little thing.
Stop! It's very sensitive. Don't touch the trigger.
As he talks, Amy accidentally pulls the trigger and shoots Jeff. A gunshot is heard and Jeff falls as the stage goes dark. Scene 2. An older woman is seen sitting alone in her home reading a book. She hears sounds of doors opening, footsteps, and then rumbling from off stage.
Am I moving it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello?
The sounds persist.
Hello? Joseph, is that you? It's late. I told you to ring the bell and let me know when you're coming over.
No answer. The rumbling sounds continue.
Maria?
No.
Oh. Joseph?
No answer. The rumbling sounds continue.
Joey, would you answer me? You're starting to scare me.
The sounds stop. Maria gets up slowly and painfully, looking off stage into another room.
Joseph!
And then another.
Oh my God!
A loud bang is heard. She runs to her dresser in the back of the stage and frantically searches for something. She eventually finds a gun that she had hidden for emergencies. She fumbles with the gun, almost dropping it. Eventually, but still unsteady, she places the gun in her hand and moves to the part of the stage where she last heard the noise. She looks in and notices something.
You? What are you doing? Get out of here!
She moves back a bit, holding the gun with two hands.
I have a gun! Don't come any closer! Get out of here!
She moves back a few steps more. A man, an obvious burglar, emerges with a filled trash bag.
Stop, I said! Put that down and get out of here!
Relax, miss. I'm going. I don't want no trouble. Please let me leave.
I'm going to call the cops.
She attempts to walk over to a phone on the table.
No, please.
She continues to walk to the phone. He takes a few more steps. Maria points the gun very insecurely.
Stop! I'll shoot. Believe me, I'll shoot.
The man puts up his hands, but noticing how insecure and fragile she is,
Relax, please. I'm leaving. Just relax. No trouble. I don't want no trouble.
he continues to notice her nervousness and bends over very slowly, picks up the bag with the stolen merchandise inside.
Put that down.
I'm leaving. I'll just take this and we'll call it even.
He
Stop!
attempts to leave.
Put that down. I'll shoot.
He stops, puts down the bag, and turns slowly as he gestures with his hands.
Really, miss. Easy.
I'm calling the cops.
She picks up the phone.
You're not calling anyone.
He lunges and slams it back down. As she backs off, still pointing the gun, now very unsteady,
I'll shoot. I swear I'll shoot.
as he continues to approach, noticing how unsteady she is.
Now, why don't you give me that thing and I'll be on my way?
He continues to approach. She steps back, losing her footing and almost the gun. He continues to advance. She points again and attempts to fire, but fumbles with control. They struggle briefly, and the burglar emerges with control and a woman on the floor.
Old ladies shouldn't play with guns.
Please go. I won't say anything.
I can't take that chance.
The sound of a single gunshot is heard as the lights go dark. Scene 3. 2 boys in their late teens run onto the stage and stop in the middle.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
We're in big trouble, man. I told you, we should not have brought this thing.
He pulls out the gun.
I thought we needed it. I thought they had weapons. They crossed our turf once too many times. They need to have respect for us in their neighborhood. Now they know.
I fired 5 times, man. I hit a woman standing on the corner. She's dead, man.
You what? Holy shit. Did you get any of them?
I don't know, man. They all ran. I just fired.
You didn't get any of them?
No, man. At least I don't think so.
Jesus Christ.
I just don't know, man. Oh my God. I hit a cop. Ronnie just texted me. I hit a cop, man. It's all over the news already.
Oh my God, we're screwed. Everyone in creation was out looking for us. Is he dead?
I don't know. All he said is, I hit a cop.
They may not know it's us.
Are you crazy? We will have our photos on TV in an hour. The cops are already hunting us.
I'm not going back to jail.
Oh no, man. Oh no. He's dead, man. And so are 2 others. They're hunting down everyone.
They're gonna find his cell phone and hunt us down. Get rid of that damn thing. We gotta hide somewhere. We can't stay here.
Where? We have no place to go.
Your brother, maybe your brother will let us hold up for a bit until we get out of town.
No, man. My brother's been clean. This is the last thing he wants to get involved. We killed a cop, man. We're done.
What about Jeannie?
No. Damn. Just when I thought things were coming together. Just when I was going back to work. Just when Katie and I were getting serious. We were even talking about getting engaged. Raising a family. Moving out of here. But I have to stay at a church. Why did you make me bring that thing?
A loud rap is heard at the door. Police, open up, put down any weapons you may have and come out with your hands up. Police, we know you're in there. We have your friends. We have surveillance tapes. The building is surrounded.
I'm not going back to jail.
They'll kill us on the spot.
I'm not going back to jail.
No, man.
We'll count to 3. 1. Number 1 cowers onto the floor crying. Number 2 takes a military position and a deep breath as he points the gun at the door. 2.
God, please help me.
3. A loud crash is heard. Hands up. The stage goes dark. A shot is heard. After a moment, another shot. It's like a Shakespeare play. The lights come up to reveal a husband packing for a business trip, while his wife is putting some clothes away in the dresser.
I'll only be away 3 days. It's one of those conferences that I have to go on every now and then.
Where is it this time?
Las Vegas.
How nice. Maybe you can come out and join you on Saturday.
I wish you could. I'll be running around pressing the flesh, going here, going there. There won't be time to do much of anything. Besides, you don't know anyone.
You could do your thing. I'll look around at the casinos a bit. I haven't been there in 5 years or so.
No, this is not a good trip. Maybe next time. There's too much of a runaround.
You used to always let me come on your trips. I used to like that, and we always found time to do stuff together.
She walks over closer to him, handing him something to pack.
Here, don't forget these.
She looks at him with a sad smile,
Next time, I promise.
and he gives her a kiss on the cheek.
Oh, Peter, it's Las Vegas.
Next time, I'll have to check my flights.
Peter gets his laptop and begins to enter information. Judy, still fixing up, exits to another room. Peter looks over his shoulder and sees that she has left. He continues typing, looking over his shoulder every now and then. Judy calls from off stage.
Peter, can you help me get this vacuum cleaner down?
In a second,
He continues typing. After a moment,
Peter!
there's a loud bang.
Jesus, hold on.
He gets up, leaving the computer open, and goes off stage to help her. Judy re-enters first.
Just put it in the back. I want to check my email.
She opens the computer and starts to read the screen that Peter has left open. To her something.
What is this?
She has accessed Peter's email and is visibly shaken. She gets more upset as she continues to scroll down. Peter re-enters.
Where do you want this, hon? Judy, where do you want me to put this? Give me
He
that.
notices her on the computer. He runs over and tries to close the lid. She resists.
Give me that. I need to check my flight time.
Who is Lisa, Peter?
What, Lisa?
The Lisa you've been emailing, and the one you want to meet at gate 7:30.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Judy grabs the laptop.
Here, I'll show you. See you at 7:30. I'll be wearing my little red dress, the one you love. Then, Peter, OMG, you are getting me excited already.
Stop reading my email. Give me that.
He grabs the laptop.
So that explains all the emergency trips and the secret phone calls you get. And you think I don't know? How long has this been going on? How many times have you fucked her?
You're out of your mind.
What else do you do with her? Do you think of me sitting here watching your kids as you screw her?
Stop it.
You think that all I've given to you, you would give me some consideration.
I have to leave.
Judy takes Peter's bag and runs to the back.
Over my dead body.
She begins to throw the contents on the floor. Peter's picking up the contents.
I'll explain when I get back.
Get back? You're really going through with this?
It's too late to cancel.
He finishes picking up his belongings and starts to leave. Judy is horrified by the response.
Then I will.
Judy looks in the drawer and pulls out a revolver. She holds the gun up and fires as the lights go down. After a moment, another gunshot is heard. 2 bodies are seen in the stage shadows. Scene 5, from off stage, there's a woman's voice. This is the teenager.
I know, who's playing the woman?
No, oh, I guess I'll do
You
the
can play
woman's
the woman,
voice.
yeah.
I mean, Carol, could you put these upstairs in my room? After a moment, Carol, who is 13 to 15, enters with a shopping bag.
Ma, where do you want me to put them?
By my closet. Carol brings the bag to her mother's closet and looks around. After a moment, the woman says, I have to go to the store for a bit. Want to come?
No.
You are right alone?
Ma, please.
Okay, be back in a few minutes. The door closes. Carol gets excited and starts to look through her mother's clothes, playfully trying things on. She opens a shoebox and notices some high heels, which she tries on.
Oh, I like these.
She walks around a bit, goes back to the closet to explore. She notices another shoebox. She opens it and finds a revolver. Looking at it curiously, she slowly walks to the front of the stage, carelessly pointing the gun. Suddenly, from off stage, the woman's voice very loudly, "Carol, I'm back!"
Boom.
Carol reacts nervously and pulls the trigger. A shot is heard. The stage goes dark. The lights for scene 6 return to reveal a stage scattered with the bodies of the cast on the floor or lying dead on a chair. The young girl in the previous scene is holding the gun. Amy, from the opening scene, walks in slowly among the bodies. She picks up the gun and walks slowly toward the front center of the stage.
This can't happen. This can't happen. This can't happen to me. This only happens to someone else. This can't happen to you. Or can it?
Stage goes dark.
Thank you. Okay, Paul, okay, we wait? And we both,
Yeah,
wait, we'll do both
sure.
together. Okay, so our last play for tonight is a little lighter.
Has to be a little lighter. Can't get any heavier.
Social commentary.
And,
This
and
one's lighter.
I think, and correct me if I didn't, but I think I'm gonna catch everybody for another time around, anybody who